Hi, my name's Andy, the host of Junkyard Empire, and we use Adenna gloves. My guys love them. They have tons of choices. They're very durable. We worked on our newest build for 2 hours working on raw fiberglass. Not one of us were itching and scratching the next day. That's really saying something. The other thing that I like about them, you don't get dirty. I want to look at this oil, looks good to me. No problems, just push it off. I still got a nice, sturdy, thick glove. I recommend these to anybody. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at Junkyard Empire.